So this time we have 10 packs of Wild Force. Woo! Let's see if we get anything. So to save some time and also to make the video go a little quicker, I decapitated all the packs here to make it a little easier to get them out, because they are thin packs. There's 5 cards in a pack, and we don't want to damage anything. So, oh, I already see a hollow. Hollow! Ooh, cool. Love them. All right, I'll check him out. Wish I could read Japanese. I think I'd learn after all these years, but got another hollow. Oh, I forgot what those are called. It's a cool card. Weedle? Can't remember. Oop. Obscene. Cool. Ekans? Oh, wow. See what I mean about the Japanese art? Just looks amazing. Donkey. And last pack. Donkey. Wah, wah. Thanks for watching. It's a little addition. I was looking at some packs on my own of Wild Force and not on camera, and look at this guy. What? Look at that Ghastly. Pretty cool, huh? Alright, bye now.